Hey guys, this is my first attempt at a weekend review video. Just wanted to kind of walk you through what you absolutely need to have done this week. We essentially have reviewed Act 3 and Act 4 and got started on Act 5. We read a very important scene between Malcolm and Macduff that deals a lot with leadership. So there is an Act 4 discussion that you needed to respond to this week. If you haven't done that yet, make sure you do that. And then today, on Friday, we did the Macbeth quiz over Acts 3 and 4. So these two things, which are at the bottom of the Schoology page, are what you need to complete. As far as the video, if you need to go back and watch the video, we covered, I want to say, from about an hour and 35 minutes to right about 2 hours into the video. So we're getting near the end of the play, and essentially we covered Act 4 and the beginning of Act 5 as far as the video goes. Just a reminder, this PDF file is the Macbeth play itself. You can go back and take a look at that. And then also a reminder, I've added this feature, a Word document that says the week ahead, and that simply has the assignments, the kind of the things we did together as a class, and the things that you need to do. We did not get to the story of a Word assignment, so we will talk about that next week. But your responsibilities, we're doing the Act 4 discussion board on Wednesday, studying for the quiz on Thursday, and taking the graded quiz over Acts 3 and 4 today.